naman, Sir Amro. Don't you worry, sir. At magsasama din natin kayo sa Amerika. Nais daw po yung green card ninyo. Surpresa po sa inyo yan. Okay, thank you so much. And by the way, lahat po ng ating mga susunod na tatawagin will be based on voluntary basis, no? So, ang mga nakalista na po dito ang tatawagin ko. Pero yung mga gusto po magsalita, open po ang floor para sa inyo. Because this time I'll be calling on somebody, a very good and welcome addition to the family. Narito po siya, kitang-kita natin. Hindi lang siya butihing asawa ni Mana. Unofficial photographer din natin siya. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Julius. Palakpakan po natin.
You're surprised I won. What can I say about my father-in-law? I guess I'm actually pretty blessed. I don't think I would have married the woman I would have married if it wasn't for a big part of my father-in-law. So the person she's now is because a very big part of how she is as a person. Secondly, I suppose my father-in-law has actually taught me quite a lot about how to become a better person, and also how to become a good provider. He's made a lot of sacrifices from what I've seen, and he's provided very well for his family. So I guess, thank you. Second of all, thank you for accepting me into your family, because I don't think I'm the easiest person for people. You just have to ask me why. So yeah, thank you. And happy to see you again.
Thank you, Sir Julius. Okay. At nakalimutan ko daw banggitin, siya rin daw po ang unofficial yaya ngayon. Okay, so this particular gentleman, the next one, and kung wala pong mag-volunteer, the final one, I think he's quite shy, no? However, because he's the only son available tonight, bibigyan po natin siya the most important duty and obligation sa po ang gagawa. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Willie Ba.
Good evening, everyone. So I'd like to put everyone to please rise. Let's have a toast to my dad's 70th birthday celebration. And thank you for being wonderful dad, good friend, and brother, and family. So let's do it like that. So cheers.
Thank you so much, Willie. Sabi sa inyo, mahiyain. Kaya nga isang milagro nakapag-asawa yan. Parang yung biro lang. Yung mga Willie, mayayaman yan. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, narito na po. The First Lady, and hopefully, the only one. Makatapos ba ang gabi nang wala siya? Ladies and gentlemen, Madam Dottie Ba. This is your moment.
Maraming salamat po sa mga kamag-anak ng mister ko. Maraming salamat po sa nakakasiyahan sa amin. Bigla lang po ito, hindi ko alam kung magkakita ako. Natutuwa ako dahil ito Amy's birthday din. Happy birthday, Dad.
Miss Dottie, marami lang kita. Hindi ba narinig ko may hiwagan tulog ang tawag dyan? Kleng, kleng, chuk, chuk. That's the kleng, kleng. Give us the chuk, chuk. Okay, kami ka. Hawak kita, hawak. Short na tayo, madam. Okay. Sorry. Alright, ayan. Ayan. Please. Uy, baka tumayo kayo dali mo may hawak ng camera. Lapit kayo. Wala pa. Kiss pa lang yun. Yung kiss! Ay! Ano yun? Magnanay? Kiss sa lapit. Maglola naman, maglola. Hindi ko. Miss Dottie naman. Alam mo ba, matanggalin ko si Miss Dottie? Wala ba siguro balisong? Kasi pipilit ka na namin. Bawal. Smack lang po, smack lang. Oo. Dapat lang may kasama pandila eh. Sige na yun. Halik bakla. Okay? So, pakitala sa mesa, you know? Mga kaibigan, okay. Nadulas na po ang ating DJ. Alam nyo na po ang kasunod. Everybody will be participating and supporting. Please rise. And I think this will be the final time na kayo po itatayo. As far as the program is concerned, wala pa rin. Oo. Okay. Okay, so, the Baha family, please, Dottie, Mana, and Willie, Julius, you can participate, please. Okay. So, dito tayo sa cake, sir. Bababa po tayo. And Mr. Waker, please assist the family. Para sa ating candles, may candles ba? Wala, baka ito magkasunod. Pero magkanta ng konting cake ceremony for the prosperity, more prosperity for the family. So, ready natin yung saucer, saka pang hat, tinitor, at saka drinks na rin. Mga kaibigan, the birthday song. To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mas mabilis. Happy Lagi na po ang ating pinakahihintay galing pa ng Amerika ng birthday kasama natin. Haharap po sa inyo, Mr. Fred Baha! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I want that my people have been paid different roles in a way of keeping money. We will just do for them on my 70th birthday in this building there. Will that be possible to mention
The my children in Sydney, Australia, Nana, Judith, Daniela, and my son Malcolm, who is contemporary and organized this event. To my wife, Bobby, my Alexander, not to forget my beautiful Apo, like Miguel, Sophie, Joshua, and Martha. Thank you, and I love you all. To my friends who have come all the way from Sydney, Australia, we have here Marlene Relly, my Karen Manning, Maniabo, my Kalay, our friends like Andy and Bernie Adison, Joseph and Jerry. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for your presence. And from California, USA, we have here my good friend in French Mix, Mr. Tom Garcia. Tom and I both serve in PCC, and my best friend, Ms. Ellen Thompson. To my in-laws, the Pisano family, thank you for your support with my children. Last but not the least, to my brothers and sisters who are here today, their husband and wife, their children and family, thank you for your presence. And to all your friends, relatives, and guests, thank you for gracing this occasion. Indeed, this is a grand reunion. Again, to God be the glory. I will sing this. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, our celebrator, Mr. Alfredo Nava. Okay, sir, ilipit nila ang fortune. Mga kaibigan, our grand finale. Hindi mo siguro po pwede galing pa ng abroad, si Fred. Tapos, ganito na tayo magkakayari. Sayang ang gabi, no? Medyo maupo naman tayo pare-pareho. Gawin natin yung grand finale. Bago yung ating party, sasayaw tayo. Naku, ito yung mga senior, ballroom to. Pare Fred, Doggy, Mana, Julius, Willie, kids, dito tayo sa harapan, please. Bago yung ating special announcement. Dipit tayo ito, sir. Pag ito, tanggalin natin. Pati yung sa microphone. Dito tayo sa harapan. The family. Mga kaibigan, ito lang po, isang pakiusap lang po, ang aking gagawin. Muli po tayong tatayong lahat. Alam ko po, ang ilan, nahihirapang tumayo, at nahihirapang maglakad, pero huling request po ito. Mga kaibigan, I would like to call on those people na nagmamahal kay Fred, lumapit po sa stage. Because this is the VIP stage, at kayo po ang VIP sa buhay nila, dapat nasa stage na kayong lahat. Okay? Ang pinag-iusapan lang po, yung mga nagmamahal lang po kay Fred. Yung mga hindi nagmamahal, naiwan. Magkaalaman na. Everybody, please join us to the stage. Everyone, like sila po ito. Zuma, dahil dito, oh. Alam mo, hindi kang papansin. Kukulay green pa man din. Laki ng katawan, no? Okay? Everybody, please. Yung mga nagmamahalan po, hindi mo pinipilit lahat. Okay, what the ballroom music, Mr. Lite. Yung si Fred, sa gitna ka dapat. Be at the center. Nakatikit si Doggy. Okay? Si Dottie at yung Dottie. Dottie sa Dottier. Wala yung music. Ayun. Compress po, Compress. Papunta po sa gitna. Compress to the center. Medyo tumatabingin na po ang bangka. Masyadong marami sa kanan ko. At kaliwa ninyo, lipat ko yung iba. Okay na. Ilawin na raw lilipat. Sabi ni photographer. Okay? Don't worry. Nakikita niyo yung mga gamit nila, hindi mawawala yan. Mga kaibigan, dahil tayo ay mga young at hearts, ito, para hindi mo alam, Karen Fred, kasi masyado kayo social sa Amerika. Dito, uso, look up, look up. Okay, so embrace yourselves, cross arms, ladies and gentlemen. Arbasyete ang tawag yan, ito yung mga Tagalog. Yan, dito, cross arms. Yan, sige, arbasyete, tayo ha. Cross arms, cross arms. Uy, parang po dito na yung ilaw dito. Pagkitin lang nga po. Look up, tingin mo dito. Tayo na. Look up, 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 look up. Gawin mo lang palinaw yan. Look up, look up. Uy, yung isa patay na talaga. Look up to your left. Doon lahat ang tingin, ha? Look up, look up, look up, look up. Okay, wala titingin sa akin. Yung po tingin. Look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Okay? Taas po mga kamay. Okay, mataas na mataas po parang lilipad. Dahil ito po ay paputian ng kilikili. Joke lang! Nakonsyo, sabi ko lang ako eh. Pero conscious, okay lang yan. Okay, ito ha. Sway! To your right. Sway! Please! Teacher! Wala ka daw. Teacher! Sway to your left. Sway! Picture. Then, sway forward. Hatakin mo yun. Sway! Picture. Ganun. Tawag ka daw. Picture. And then, sway backward. Sway! Picture. Si Paolo Pedro, masupunod. Picture. And finally, after 3, sa DJ, ready mo nga number 12, kung kaya, the voice. Number 12. Subukan mo lang After 3, yung pinakamakulit, pinaka-walastic, high calm. You know this? Okay? The most walastic, no? The most beautiful walking shot after 3. Okay? You know that? Walking, ha? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Excuse me. 70 years, galing ng abroad, walking. Ano yun? Ang waki, napupunit yung damit sa kabibig, ganito. Pangit talaga. Dapat gano'n. Okay? After 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Yan ang waki. Okay? Let's do it now, Mr. DJ. Any music. Mga kaibigan, ballroom time! Happy birthday, Brad! We love you. Thank you so much, guys. Sayo-sayo na tayo. Stretch.
Like to